This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make quiche from scratch. First, let's create the perfect flaky crust. Combine 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour with a half teaspoon of salt. Cut in 8 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add 4 to 5 tablespoons of ice water, mixing until a dough forms. Chill this dough for at least 30 minutes before rolling it out. Next, let's prepare the delicious quiche filling. Sauté your favorite vegetables like onions and spinach and any cooked meats such as ham or bacon until they are tender. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of heavy cream or half and half. Season this mixture generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Stir in 1 cup of your preferred shredded cheese. Now it's time to assemble and bake your quiche. Roll out the chilled pie dough and carefully fit it into a 9-inch pie plate. Trim and crimp the edges as desired. Spread your sautéed vegetables and meats evenly across the bottom of the crust. Then, slowly pour the egg and cheese mixture over these ingredients. Bake your quiche at 375 degrees F for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is just set and the top is golden brown. Finally, let your delicious quiche cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the filling to set completely, ensuring clean slices. Quiche is wonderful served warm or at room temperature, making it perfect for any meal. Don't hesitate to experiment with various cheeses, vegetables, and even fresh herbs like chives or parsley to create your own signature quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.